Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Ateneo Blue Eagles ang Arellano Lady Chiefs 25-17, 25-18, 25-18. Best player of the game si Zay Pasha sa likod ng kanyang 10 points mula sa 9 attacks at 1 block. Winalis din ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers ang EAC Lady Generals 25-18, 25-23, 25-22. Best player of the game si Rian Cañete sa likod ng kanyang 8 points mula sa 7 attacks at 1 ace. Wagi naman ang FEU Lady Tamaraws kontra sa Adamson Lady Falcons 16-25, 25-22, 31-33, 25-20, 15-13. Best player of the game si Cheney Tagaod sa likod ng kanyang 12 points mula sa 12 attacks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 12, 2024. Sa Pool A, NU Lady Bulldogs 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Arellano Lady Chiefs 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. San Beda Lady Red Spikers 1 win 2 losses 5 points. EAC Lady Generals 0 win 3 losses 0 point. Sa Pool B naman, UST Golden Tigresses 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. UA Lady Warriors 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. LPU Lady Pirates 1 win 2 losses 2 points. Perpetual Lady Altas 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Mapua Lady Cardinals 0 win 3 losses 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Sa Pool C naman, DLSU Lady Spikers 2 win 0 loss 6 points. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Litran Lady Knights 1 win 2 losses 3 points. GRU Lady Bombers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Sa Pool D, FEU Lady Tamaraws 3 win 0 loss 8 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 1 loss 4 points. CSB Lady Blazers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. San Sebastian Lady Stags 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Heto ang game schedule ngayong October 13, 2024 na gaganapin sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Sa first game, maglalaban ang GRU Lady Bombers kontra sa DLSU Lady Spikers alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang UST Golden Tigresses at UA Lady Warriors alas 3:30 ng hapon. At sa main game, magharap ang NU Lady Bulldogs at San Beda Lady Red Spikers alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.